Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a circle, 200 pt, then OK. Now, none this fill color. Pick up the stroke color. Now we need line segment tool, hold shift and draw the line. Select this line, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust top on the circle. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust. Now select this line, hold shift and rotate. Adjust this line perfectly. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust. Now you take another circle, hold shift and draw the circle. Now select all and increase this to value. Select all and go to object and expand. Now you take shape builder tool and discuss all unnecessary part. Hold Alt and click for remove this part. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.